Well, thanks to shortcuts in the frozen bread aisle, making pastries like today's is a breeze. Today, Howard shows us how to make a raspberry cream Danish in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
When I first started my catering business years ago, one of my secret ingredients that I used in everything from hors d'oeuvres to the most decadent desserts was frozen puff pastry. It was so easy to use and the results were always amazing. So today I want to show you a simple bakery favorite that starts off with puff pastry and ends up with rave reviews. We unfold a sheet of thawed puff pastry and cut it into 9 squares. Then we fold each one in half, making a triangle. Now we cut 2 slits, about 1/4 of an inch away from the edge, like this, making sure the 2 cuts don't meet. Next, we unfold the triangle and fold the cut part back over it so it looks like this. We repeat this on the other side. Then we spoon a bit of our homemade cream cheese filling on the center and top it off with a fresh raspberry. Once they're all done, we bake them till the dough is golden and crispy. After these cool slightly, we dust them with some powdered sugar, and there you have it. A fancy treat that looks like it came from a French bakery, thanks to our secret ingredient, the puff pastry. The recipe for our raspberry cream Danish is online now, and we'll never let you down. I'm Monsieur Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a French secret ingredient way for you to say, c'est bon, which is another way to say, ooh, it's so good.
Love the hat. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website.